Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. So let's go to the question of the day. Do you belong to any online makeup communities? Yes and no. I'm joined in many makeup groups, especially here in Egypt, to know the most trends here, the most brands used here, as a makeup artist, and just keep like up to date with the stuff that's going on here. But overall, no, I am not. I can't say that I joined like a makeup community like in regular basis. I just go every now and then, but not regularly. So I can say no. So yeah, this is for this makeup question for the day. So let's go to the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.